Try one of these 8 drinks and see your vision improve overnight. Have you ever wondered if a simple drink could really improve your vision overnight? Studies show that specific nutrients in these drinks can boost your vision in just a few days. Stay with me until the end, and you might find some surprising drinks on this list. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive into our list of eye-protecting drinks, starting with the first one, broccoli juice. Recent research underscores the significance of green vegetables, particularly broccoli, for eye health. A study published in Antioxidants in 2023 highlights broccoli's pivotal role in promoting vision. This vegetable is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids concentrated in the retina that are essential for shielding the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. These compounds act as antioxidants, reducing the risk of chronic eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, broccoli is packed with vitamin C, crucial for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. The high levels of sulforaphane, another powerful antioxidant in broccoli, have been shown to protect retinal cells from damage caused by free radicals and UV exposure. To prepare broccoli juice, blend a handful of fresh broccoli florets with a cup of water. For added taste and nutritional benefits, consider adding a splash of lemon juice or a slice of apple. Consuming this juice in the morning is ideal, as it allows your body to absorb the nutrients efficiently throughout the day. Regular consumption of broccoli juice as part of a balanced diet can significantly contribute to long-term eye health and clearer vision. Next, let's talk about pumpkin smoothies. Enhancing eye health with a pumpkin smoothie is both delicious and effective. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, a compound that converts to vitamin A in the body, crucial for maintaining healthy vision and preventing night blindness. Additionally, pumpkins contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect the eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. A 2020 study published in Antioxidants highlights the importance of beta-carotene in reducing oxidative stress in retinal cells. Research suggests that regular consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods like pumpkins can significantly lower the risk of developing AMD and cataracts. To prepare a nutritious pumpkin smoothie, blend a cup of cooked pumpkin puree with a banana, a cup of almond milk, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. This combination not only enhances flavor, but also packs additional nutrients for optimal benefits. Enjoy your pumpkin smoothie in the morning, allowing your body to absorb the nutrients throughout the day. Incorporating this smoothie into your routine can be a simple yet powerful way to protect your vision and maintain healthy eyes. Moving on to number 3, the blueberry smoothie. Regularly enjoying a blueberry smoothie can do wonders for your eye health and vision. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, and flavonoids such as anthocyanins. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, a major culprit in the development of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. A 2016 study in the Journal of Neuroimmunology found that anthocyanins in blueberries improve retinal function and lower the risk of AMD by enhancing blood circulation to the eyes and protecting retinal cells. Making a blueberry smoothie is a breeze. Just blend a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with half a banana, a cup of spinach for extra nutrition, a cup of almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This blend not only boosts eye health, but also provides a refreshing and nutritious drink. Enjoy your smoothie in the morning with breakfast or as an afternoon snack to ensure your body absorbs the nutrients throughout the day, giving your eyes continuous support. Regular consumption, along with a balanced diet, can lead to noticeable improvements in vision and overall eye health. Next up, number 4, the ASA Berry Smoothie. Including an ASA Berry Smoothie in your diet can significantly benefit your eye health and vision due to its rich nutritional profile. Acai berries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. This reduction can lower the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. A 2017 study in Nutritional Neuroscience highlighted the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of anthocyanins, showing they effectively protect retinal cells from damage. The study emphasized that regularly consuming anthocyanin-rich foods helps maintain retinal health and improve overall visual function. To make an acai berry smoothie, Blend a packet of unsweetened acai puree with a banana, a handful of spinach, half a cup of blueberries, and a cup of almond milk. This blend not only tastes great, but also boosts nutritional value, offering a mix of vitamins A, C, and E with extra antioxidants for optimal benefits. Enjoy this smoothie in the morning as part of your breakfast routine, ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients throughout the day, supporting eye health and overall well-being. Regularly incorporating this smoothie into your diet can be a tasty and effective way to protect and enhance your vision. Number 5. Tomato juice. Drinking tomato juice can be a game changer for eye health due to its abundance of essential nutrients and antioxidants. Lycopene, the compound responsible for tomatoes' red hue, is known to protect the eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Tomatoes are also packed with vitamins A and C, both critical for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A is necessary for the proper functioning of the retina, while vitamin C supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes. A 2023 study published in Food and Function highlighted lycopene's protective effects against light-induced retinal damage, emphasizing its potential in preventing retinal diseases. To make tomato juice, start with fresh, ripe tomatoes. Wash them and remove the cores, then blend until smooth. For a smoother texture, strain the juice through a fine sieve. Add a pinch of salt and pepper or a splash of lemon juice for extra flavor. Drinking tomato juice in the morning or as a mid-morning snack can provide a steady supply of these vital nutrients, supporting overall eye health and vision improvement. Regular consumption, combined with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can help protect your eyes over the long term. Number 6. Kiwi juice. Kiwi juice, vibrant and nutrient-rich, offers impressive benefits for eye health and vision improvement. This green powerhouse is a potent source of vitamin C, essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, protects the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation, thereby reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Kiwi juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two key antioxidants concentrated in the retina. These compounds act as natural sunscreens, absorbing harmful blue light and protecting the eyes from potential damage. A 2019 study published in Antioxidants highlighted that regular consumption of foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly lower the risk of chronic eye diseases. To prepare kiwi juice, peel and blend a few ripe kiwis until smooth. For added flavor and nutrients, mix with other fruits such as apples or a splash of orange juice. Strain the mixture to remove the pulp if desired. For optimal benefits, enjoy kiwi juice in the morning as part of your breakfast routine, ensuring your body absorbs the nutrients on an empty stomach. Incorporating this delicious and nutritious drink into your daily diet can be a vital step in protecting your eyes and enhancing your vision. Number 7. Red bell pepper juice. Adding red bell pepper juice to your diet can significantly boost eye health and improve vision due to its rich nutrient profile. One key compound in red bell peppers is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that shields the eyes from oxidative stress, which contributes to many age-related eye conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Additionally, red bell peppers are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining a healthy cornea and good night vision. A 2020 study in Nutrients highlights the role of vitamin C in reducing cataract risk, underlining the importance of this nutrient for eye health. Research suggests that higher consumption of vitamin C-rich foods like red bell peppers is associated with a lower prevalence of cataracts. To prepare red bell pepper juice, wash and seed the peppers, then blend them with a small amount of water until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove the pulp. For added flavor and nutrients, you can mix it with carrot or tomato juice. It's best to drink this juice in the morning to kickstart your day with a boost of antioxidants and vitamins, ensuring your eyes get the support they need throughout the day. Number 8. The Kale Smoothie. A kale smoothie, rich in essential nutrients, can play a significant role in supporting eye health and improving vision. Kale is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants crucial for maintaining healthy eyes. These compounds filter harmful high-energy blue light and help protect and maintain healthy cells in the eyes. Research published in 2023 in Curios emphasized that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, common causes of vision impairment. The study indicates that regular consumption of foods rich in these antioxidants can lead to higher concentrations in the retina, where they exert their protective effects. To prepare a kale smoothie, blend a handful of fresh kale leaves, a banana for sweetness, half an apple, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of almond milk. This combination not only enhances the taste, but also provides extra vitamins and minerals beneficial for overall health. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to enjoy this smoothie in the morning. This timing allows your body to absorb the nutrients throughout the day, providing continuous support for eye health and general well-being. While these drinks can support better vision with regular consumption, they should not replace professional medical advice. See you in the next video, my dear friend.